What do you think? Do you think Iran is going to fire a shot? Huh? Do you think Iran is going to fire a shot? Because do you know who is speaking about Iran is going to fire a shot? The United States. How do they know what Iran is doing? And how do they know Iran is preparing to fire a shot? And in 48 hours, Iran is going to do something. How do they know that? Are they doing it of themselves? Are Iranis telling the American government or the CIA what they're going to be doing? What do you think? Do you think this is some bullshit? Fooling the mind of the people? What do you think, black people? Huh? And they are saying Iran should not do anything. Look, the Israeli shot and killed the Iranian scientists and leaders, and they expect Iran not to do anything. Are you following me? United States is telling Iran, you better don't. You don't think that's some bullshit? So Iran, if Iran did kill Israeli leaders, say for instance in Iraq or in Jordan, what do you think the Israeli will be doing? You think they would just let it go along like that? Huh? You think the Israeli would just let it go along like that if they kill the Israeli leaders? But you see, Iran, I don't know what's wrong. Hezbollah, they kill all their leaders and they're not taking revenge. Because United States is telling them they better down. So United States is the bully. And Russia sit there, Syria sit there, and Syria's not making a fire. They can't. They have to get rid of the Israeli aircraft. That's the first thing they should be doing. Syria, Hezbollah, Hamas, Iran, the Houthis, they should try to get rid of all the Israeli aircraft in any means. Straight up. Find where they have those hangars for those aircraft and blow them up. Get to the runway and blow up those runway. So no plane will get out of the hangar to go up in the sky. Once they do that, then they control those white people into the land of Canaan. But Israeli have the freedom of the sky. And all these guys are doing is sending 1 and 2 rockets up into the sky and the Iron Dome, blowing them up. Don't look, find out where the plane hangars are. That's what you should be doing. Instead of you messing around, trying to drop 1 and 2 bombs into the city and blow up a house. It's not going to work. It's not going to work. Get rid of the airplanes. They got about maybe 250, close to 300 airplanes that belong to the United States also. Blow them all up. Find a way. Think, man. They're not doing anything else but with the airplane. So now they got to be on the ground. Then you can take care of business. Try to blow up all the airplanes. Straight up. They've been doing too much wrong for a long time. And it's time for you to wake up, black man, and help the people that is suffering. Do you know what Trump called African leaders? It's a reason why he did that. He said they're all a shithole. So if they're a shithole, they're not going to do anything. They're in doo-doo. Because they're getting paid from the United States to be quiet. Look, Jordan get about $500 billion. Sorry, $500 million a year, or $1.5 billion. Israel get $350 billion. $3 billion. Israel get over $3 billion. Egypt get maybe $1.5 billion. So they're getting paid to be quiet. So they're not going to help. So United States can just go around and dominate. Hey, I come in, just be quiet, man. Just let me do what I got to do. Here is a few bucks, so be quiet. And that's what's going on. They're getting paid to be silent. So United States can bring the one world order in. So what I'm saying, we got to wake up and help the sufferer all over the world. Suffering means United States is having dominate power over that piece of land. We got to move their power from the land. Straight up. And we got to do like what they did. Take the land away from them back, like what they did with us in the past. If you don't do that, waste of time. Waste of time. Peace, respect. I'm out of here.